Hello everyone, my name is Swati and I have been selected for PGT Political Science in TRE 3. I have been a member of update classes from last 1 year. So sir has asked me to share my experience with you, that how I prepared for the examination. So here I am to share my experience with you. So first of all, I will start with GS, which plays an important role in qualifying the examination. For GS, I was completely dependent on NCERTs and update classes notes. And now I will tell you about some books which I preferred during my preparation. For science, I completed NCERTs of class 9th and 10th. And if after completing NCERTs you have time, then you can go for Drishti Quick Book also. That is a very good option. For history, geography and polity, I completed NCERTs of class 6 to 12th. And along with that, I had some practice sets also, about which I will tell you later in this video. For maths, previous year questions are sufficient. And now coming to current affairs section, I will suggest you to go for at least 2 books, because one book is not going to help you with the examination. As you can see, BPSC is raising the standard of question every year, so go for at least 2 books. Only Speedy or only Eduteria is not going to help you. Now coming to practice sets, I will suggest you to go for Eduteria and Platform, and if not Platform, then Eduteria is very important to qualify this examination. And now coming to my main subject, which is political science, I will suggest you to go for Youth Publications previous year questions book and Arihant guidebook, which comes for UGC NET examination. And if after completing these two you have time, then you can go for UGC NET previous year questions and BPSC previous year questions. That is sufficient to crack this examination. And one more thing I want to tell you, that being a mother, I didn't have much time during my preparation, so I cleared NCERTs from Drishti Quick Book. So if any one of you who are working or who is a mother like me, you don't have time, so you can go for quick books like Drishti or any other books. So many books are available in the market, you can choose any one of them. So I hope this video is going to help you in your coming examination, which is TRE 4. So all the very best. Don't panic, just focus on finishing the syllabus. So all the very best. Thank you.